Hi everyone, this is a virtual tour for you at Harrah Resort in SoCal, California. Located in Valley Center, California, which is in San Diego County, we will take you around the pool area. We are starting at the lazy river. This area is for all ages. So if you have any kids, they will love the moving water and waterfalls. The next area we will explore is for adults only, 21 and over. A place where people of age can enjoy a drink and relax in the pool. There is even a live DJ. Harrah Resort is a great place for the summer. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Stick around for the room tours after the pool walk. Now we're here at the food court. Here you have the new restaurant or fast food place, Best of Cluck. So you're in the mood for fried chicken or Nashville hot chicken, this is the place to go. They also have Earl sandwich. If you're in the mood for a sandwich or salads, it's pretty good. They have some bakery treats as well. And finally, if you're in the mood for hamburger, shakes, fries, yes, Smashburger. Finally, here's the room tour. Let's take a look inside. In your main entrance, you have the bathroom to your right, the main room front forward. Starting to the bathroom, you have your shower. And right next to you have the bathtub. You have your shampoo, conditioner, body wash hanging by the towel to scrub your body. Just turn the handle counterclockwise to turn on the water. Further you go, the hotter the water gets. Here the bathtub, turn on the water, just turn the faucet towards the water handle. And in the sink area, you have your bar soap for hand washing, lotion, tissues, towels on the bottom. You have your hair dryer, a little close up. You have a vanity mirror if you need it. And you have your little toilet room. Toilet paper, extra toilet paper. Now heading to the main living area. You have a full body mirror in case you need to check any outfit. You have your closet, your hangers, iron board, safe on top. Here's the fridge. Store any leftovers or to cool down some drinks you may have. You have your drawer space. Here you got the desk in case you need to do some work. Extra drawer space. Lounge chair just to relax, and a good view for the outside. Yeah, take a look at the drawer. Plenty of room if you have a lot of clothes to store. You have your nightstand, of course, on each side of the bed, and lamps. Take a closer look at the nightstand. You have your extra more drawer space. And the lamps have chargers, plugins, not chargers, but plugins for your phone charger or anything you need to connect. This concludes the tour. Please subscribe and like, and until next time.